Hello, my name is Urs Meyer. My airplane is a Hirt 27 Acrostar. Join me for an aerobatic demonstration in real time. Our location is Eutingen Airfield in southern Germany. We participate in a typical German Fliegerfest. The airplane is the last Acrostar, built 1973 to the design of Arnold Wagner. My airplane now for more than 30 years. Originally built to win championships, it is now unsurpassed for aerobatic demonstration. Waiting for our turn, we have got all the time. Later, in flight, things will go quickly.
Sierra Kilo, Startermotor und geht auf die Bahn. Sierra Kilo geht dann, sobald oben auf 122.800.
Under the windshield, you have got the FLAM collision warning device. Straight below, the fuel pressure, the oil pressure and the oil temperature. On the left hand side, you have got climb and descent, airspeed and altitude. On the right hand side, we have got manifold pressure and engine RPM. Full power, 1, 2, 3, 4, lift off. With the coupled flap system, the Acrostar climbs at an unbelievable angle. At 70 miles per hour, an angle of 30 degrees, this airplane climbs like a homesick angel. I am already about to enter the assigned space for demonstration. On a special frequency, I will report live out of the cockpit to the spectators. To start, I pull up for kind of split airs in order to check my position. The left-hand switch on that railroad triangle is the center of my demonstration room. Half Cuban 8 is good for gaining a bit of altitude and again aligning in the center line. On the eastern border of the assigned space, exactly in front of the spectators, a hammerhead or stall turn. Foot left, vertical and pull out. The square loop is actually a hesitation loop. In the tail slide, I have to pull back power, and you will hear in the background my command.
Motor weglassen, schön gerade halten und so jetzt über den Deck runtergehen.
Again, a repositioning figure. Here I realize that the wind coming from the south here has carried me somewhat to the north. I add a field of fare figure to correct my position. The avalanche looping is a typical show figure, easy on the pilot and on the airplane, and impressing on the public. As you see now, a snap roll is entered just by a brisk pull. The same inverted with a brisk push. The split S again allows easy positioning for the next figure, a Zwirbelturm. Pull up for a half loop to bleed off speed, to enter an inverted spin. Concluding the demonstration, a Nimmelmann puts me exactly in the altitude and position to enter a left-hand downwind for landing. Now on a left-hand downwind to the airfield, I switch back to the traffic frequency. Turning into the base leg, I open the canopy slightly as safety measure. While turning in for final, I decelerate to keep distance to the preceding traffic. Substantial crosswind from the north and minimum speed due to traffic makes this approach less than comfortable. The collision warning beep reminds me to make a short landing and brake to keep distance to the Antonov in front of me. That is the moment to open the canopy and wave to the spectators. Thanks for looking over my shoulder, and remember, flying is fun.